Hey guys, we're here at Portofino Bay, a Universal Orlando resort, and I'm going to give you a room tour of a deluxe 2-queen room. Portofino is a premier level resort at Universal Orlando Resort, which means included with your stay here, you get Express Pass. And these rooms sleep up to 5 guests. You can request a rollaway cot for in here, and as you can see in this room, there's plenty of room for a cot. So getting the extra space by getting the deluxe 2-queen as opposed to the regular 2-queen is really worth it if you're going to get a rollaway for your family. Have a nice big TV, plenty of storage down here. And here, you're going to find your mini fridge behind the squeaky door. More storage. It's a great table here that can be used as a desk. Or if you order room service, this resort does offer 24-hour room service. I love that there are USBs and plugs here. Great to plug in the computer. Here's some information about the services available. Portofino is themed with an Italian theme. Everything feels really, really crisp and clean and luxurious here. But this was a real surprise when we walked in. This room has a full-size patio, which is not something that's common. So although you could put in a request for one, they are few and far between. So if you get one, expect it to be a surprise. I can't wait to have my coffee out there tomorrow morning. We have a great sitting area here. Queen beds. Let's see. Nice and comfy. Bedside table. Really pretty lights. Mirror. I love that there are clocks in these rooms. I feel like missing the clocks missing from hotel rooms in some hotels is really hard when you wake up in the middle of the night. And then you got some more storage here next to the bed. And let's look at the closet. You're going to find a safe, your ironing board, extra linens, luggage rack, a couple of hangers and plenty of space. You're going to find your coffee service right next to the door and your ice bucket. Nice. We got a bathroom, 2 sinks, plenty of space in here, plenty of towels, nice shower. Some of the rooms only have showers. Some of them don't have tubs, so if that's something that's important to you, be sure to check when you're checking into the resort. And then we have a separate room for the commode. All in all, this room is very spacious, and I think we are going to enjoy our stay here.